Juice of youth for those over 40. You'll be impressed by the results on your body. And stay until the end of this video as you'll learn, correctly, the true way to make this juice, the way that will truly show results in your body. This juice is great to include in your daily routine if you're over 40 and aiming to take care of your bone health, skin, hair, and overall to stay youthful despite age. The first ingredient of this juice is kale. Did you know that kale has more vitamin C than fruits like oranges, for example? Furthermore, kale contains significant amounts of omega-3, essential for great mental health. Kale can also help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and improve cardiovascular health. It contains a large amount of vitamin A, where a small amount of this green provide is more than a person needs of this vitamin daily. And believe it or not, kale has more calcium than other products, such as milk, for instance. So, consuming some kale is very beneficial for maintaining calcium, especially if you're over 40. Our second ingredient is broccoli. Broccoli is excellent for producing coenzyme Q10, which is also very present in both broccoli and its leaves. Consuming broccoli will allow us to prevent heart diseases and inhibit blood clot formation, thanks to its high content of antioxidants like coenzyme Q10. An important point to remember is that this coenzyme is present only in fresh foods. Now, let's make this powerful juice full of calcium, a nutrient-rich recipe to strengthen your bones and give you vitality and energy. You'll need a cup of broccoli, 2 kale leaves, half an apple, juice of 1 lemon, and 300 milliliters of water. Blend everything in a blender, and it's ready. This juice is extremely tasty, and I invite you to make it at home. You can also consume this juice in the morning to start your day well and fill your body with essential nutrients as a complement to your breakfast. After making this juice, you'll notice an improvement in your health within a few days. Everything will change, and you'll realize it. The combination of dark green leaves, along with the apple, which is one of the best fruits globally, and also with the incredible lemon, will boost your health with good energy and vitality. Now tell me if you liked today's video. Rate it from 0 to 10 so I can know. Also, let me know when you'll prepare this recipe. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next video. Sending a big kiss, and until then, bye-bye.